Why is the INFJ personality type so sacred? 1. INFJs tend to procreate less than other types. To the extent that genetic predisposition plays a role, this could be a limiting factor. 2. MBTI types are descriptive, not deterministic. They're based on dominant preference, not driving prophecies. Given that many typical INFJ behaviors are seen as antisocial, people on the fringe might simply learn to choose against their preference to the point of functional rewiring. 3. Most MBTI tends are often self-administered. Given the negative implications of some responses, testees may produce incorrect assessment by giving what they feel are more appropriate answers. This might be especially true in younger years, when the stigma attached to a certain INFJ quality is highest. 4. God is merciful, realizing that more INFJs would either lead to complete social destruction or a benevolent global dictatorship bereft of people to save.